Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for QST global interviews, campus drive, off campus or lateral hiring, then this video is extremely important for you. In this single video, we have covered almost all core engineering domains QST level works on, exactly the areas from where MCQs, technical questions and coding logic are asked in real interviews. In this video, you will get high quality MCQs with answer, concept based technical questions, coding logic snippets, industry focused engineering fundamentals. We have covered end-to-end QST global domain. So basically this video is enough for QST level technical preparation. So let me show you the part which will be covered in this video. So these are the topics we will cover, and here are the specialties you can see. So first one is embedded system and electronics. Okay, so what is the main function of a microcontroller? Answer is control specific task. Which memory is non-volatile? C option, EEPROM. What does GPIO stand for? General purpose input output. B option. Which protocol is synchronous? SPI. Interrupt latency refers to delay before ISR execution. Which component converts AC to DC? Rectifier. What is the purpose of a watchdog timer? Reset system on fault. RTOS is mainly used for real-time constants. Which family has the lowest power consumption? CMOS. ADC converts analog to digital. Which sensor measures temperature? Thermistor. PWM is mainly used for speed control. What is ISR? Interrupt service routine. Which bus is faster? SPI. What does EMI stand for? Electromagnetic interference. Which capacitor is polarized? Electrolytic. Clock frequency affects speed. Which IC is used for voltage regulation? 7805. B option. What is debounce? Switch stabilization. Which memory is faster? Cache. And the coding snippets you can see, or you can take PDF from me to prepare wisely. What's the number is given in the video. Which OOP concept supports reusability? Inheritance. Which die structure uses FIFO? U. Time complexity of binary search is 0 of log n. B option. Which keyword prevents inheritance in C++? Final. Deadlock requires how many conditions? 4 conditions. Which SQL command removes all rows but keeps structure? Truncate. Which OS scheduling algorithm may cause starvation? SJF. Which language is platform independent? Java. What is a pointer? Variable storing address. Which HDLC model is best for feature frequency? Waterfall. What is memory leak? Unused allocated memory. Which sorting is faster on average? Q. What is polymorphism? Many forms. Which DB normal form removes the transitive dependency? 3NF. Which symbol is used for comments in Python? C option. Heap memory is allocated using all. Which algorithm is used for shortest path? Dijkstra. What is race condition? Parallel execution conflict. Which keyword is used to handle exception in Java? D. Both B and C. What does API stand for? Application Program Interface. And the coding snippets. Next one is automotive engineering. ECU stands for Electronic Control Unit. CAN control protocol is mainly used for vehicle communication. Which OS is widely used in automotive systems? Autos are OS. C option. What is the speed of classical CAN? 1 Mbps. Which bus is used for infotainment most? ABS system prevents wheel locking. What does ECU flashing mean? Firmware update. Which sensor measures engine speed? crankshaft sensor. Motors are mainly improves reusability and scalability, which safety standard applies to automotive. ISO 26262. What is ISIL? ASIL. Automotive Safety Integrity Level, which protocol is low cost and low speed. LIN. What does OBD stand for? Onboard Diagnostics. ECU. Bootloader. Bootloader is used for flashing software. What is V model used for? Testing methodology. Which component controls air-fuel mixture? ECU. What is torque measured in Nm? Which system reduces emissions? EGR. What is drive-by-wire? Electrical control. What does HIL testing stands for? Hardware in loop and the coding snippets. Next one is Aerospace and Defense. Which standard is used for airborne software certification? Answer is DO 178C. MIL STD 1553 is a communication bus. What is redundancy mainly used for? Fault tolerance. RTOS in aerospace is mainly required for deterministic behavior. Which bus is widely used in avionics? ARINC 430 429. Fail-safe systems are designed to prevent total failure. What does FMEA stands for? Failure mode and effects analysis. Which scheduling algorithm is common in RTOS? Priority based. What is WCET? Worst case execution time. Which sensor measures altitude? Barometric sensor. Fly-by-wire means electrical control. What does ARINC stands for? Aeronautical Radio Incorporated. A option. What is latch up in electronics? Short circuit condition. Which memory is preferred in avionics? B option. SRA. Which standard applies to system safety? B option. What is triple modular redundancy? B option. Majority voting logic. What does EMI affect? Signal integrity. Which testing ensures software meets requirement? C option. Verification and validation. Which OS is used in avionics? VX works. B option. What is mission critical systems? System whose failure causes catastrophe. In the coding snippets. Next one is testing and automation. Software testing is done to find defects. Which testing is done first? Unit black box testing focuses on functionalities. Which box testing requires knowledge of source code? Regression testing is done when all. Which tool is used for automation testing? Selenium. Smoke testing checks critical features. Test case contains steps input expected result. What is defect life cycle? Bug zone. Which testing is non-functional? Performance. What is test automation? Using tools and scripts. Which testing is done by end users? Beta. What does CI stands for? Continuous integration. Which testing ensures software meets requirement? Validation. What is boundary value analysis? Edge value testing. Which automation framework improves reusability? Framework based. What is defect severity? Impact of defect. Which test case is executed last? Acceptance. Which tool manages test cases? Test rail. What is automation ROI? Return on investment. And the coding snippets. Next one is detailed AI cloud interviews. Okay, so artificial intelligence. AI refers to artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is a subset of AI. Machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data, which algorithm is used for classification, decision tree. Overfitting occurs when model is memorized data. What is training data? Data to build a model. What is loss function? Error measurement, which incubation function is non-ReLU. NLP deals with Human language. Which algorithm is unsupervised? A means what is feature scaling, normalization? Which metric is used for classification accuracy? Confusion metrics. Deep learning uses multiple layers. What is epoch? One full data set. Pass. Which library is used for ML in Python? Scikit-learn. AI buys occurs due to data set. What is reinforcement learning based on? Rewards and penalties. Which field deals with images? Computer vision. What is hyperparameter? The tutor parameter. Okay, which is not AI application compiler in the coding snippets. Next one is data technology. Data transformation mainly focuses on process automation using tech, which is a data technology. IoT. What is IoT? Interconnection of devices. Data twin is virtual model of physical system. Which protocol is used in IoT? MQTT. Edge computing means processing near data source. API enabled communication between system. Microservices architecture provides scalability, which is a front-end framework. React DevOps focuses on collaboration and automation. CI/CD pipelines helps in automated deployment. Containerization tool is Docker. REST API uses which protocol? HTTP. Which cloud model supports microservices based? PaaS. Detailed platforms improve user experience. Which dataset is NoSQL? MongoDB. API gateway is used for request management, which is used for version control. Git. Detail security includes all, which is detail payment platform. UPI. Cloud computing. Cloud computing provides on-demand resources, which is not cloud service model. DAS. Disk. AWS EC2 is an example of IaaS. Cloud deployment model for private use. Private. Which cloud offers scalability? Cloud. Load balancer does distributes traffic. Which storage is object-based? S3. What is cloud elasticity? Auto scaling. Which service is serverless? Lambda. Cloud region is multiple data centers. Which protocol secures cloud data? HTTPS. What is multi-tenancy? Shared resources. Which cloud tool manages infra as code? Terraform. Which is a managed database service? RDS. Cloud monitoring tool. CloudWatch. Which service is built for big data? EMR. What is VPC? Virtual private cloud, which ensure high availability. Multi-AZ. Cloud cost model is pay-as-you-go. Which cloud provider is popular? D option. Next one is software product engineering. Software product engineering focuses on end-to-end product development. Product roadmap defines release plan. MVP stands for minimum viable product. Agile methodology emphasizes flexibility iteration. Scrum has which role? Product owner. Product backlog contains features and enhancements. CI/CD helps in faster release. Versioning helps in tracking changes. Which metric measures user satisfaction? NPS. SaaS products are cloud-based software. Feature logging is used for controlled release. Which tool is used for issue tracking? Jira. Blue-green deployment helps in zero downtime. Which architecture supports scalability? Microservice. Product quality depends on design, depth, and test. User stories are written from user perspective. Which KPI tracks product growth? Churn rate. Release management includes all. Product lifecycle ends at retirement, which ensures continuous improvement. Agile retrospectives in the coding snippets. Next one is embedded product engineering. Embedded product engineering focuses on SW plus SW integration. Embedded products are usually dedicated systems. Which language is common in embedded? Embedded C. BSP stands for Board Support Package. Bootloader executes before OS. RTOS is used for deterministic response, which memory stores firmware. Flash. Embedded debugging uses JTAG, which interface is serial. All. Power optimization is important because all embedded systems often use interrupts. Cross compiler is used to compile for different target. Device driver controls hardware, which RTOS feature ensures task priority. Scheduling embedded products require high reliability, which is a real-time constant. Deadline firmware update is also called flashing, which bus connects peripherals. All embedded testing focuses on timing incorrectness, which product is embedded, washing machine, and the coding snippets. Next one is sorry. Next one is mechanical system and structures. Stress is defined as force by area. Strain is deformation per unit length. Hooke's law is valid up to proportional limit. Which material is most ductile? Steel. Factor of safety is ultimate stress by working stress. Bending stress occurs due to bending moment. Which test determines hardness? Brilliant. Fatigue failure occurs due to repeated load. Which joint is permanent? Riveted. Which material is used in aerospace structure? Aluminium alloy. Torsion occurs in shaft. Begging occurs due to compression. Which bearing reduces friction? Ball bearing. Modulus of elasticity is stress by strain. Which material is brittle? Cast iron. Natural frequency depends on mass and stiffness. Which load gives shear stress? Transverse. Damping reduces vibration amplitude. Which analysis predicts failure? FEA. Which software is used for mechanical design? Answer is SolidWorks and coding parts. And the next one is product lifecycle solution. PLM manages product data from concept to disposal. CAD stands for computer aided design. CAE is used for simulation and analysis. CAM relates to manufacturing. BOM stands for bill of material. Revision control ensures data consistency, which is PLM tool. Team center. Detail mockup helps in early validation. Change management handles ECO, ECR. Menu configuration management tracks all versions. Product data is stored in PDM. Which phase comes after design? Manufacturing. PLM improves collaboration, which is the downstream process. Manufacturing. Which tool manages lifecycle data? Team center. PLM integrates with all. Change request is raised when product modification needed. Data thread connects data across lifecycle. PLM reduces errors and rework. Which industry heavily uses PLM? Aerospace and the coding parts. Here we end the video. We will not cover all of these topics in this video. It will be a lengthy video if we covers all. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take PDF to cover all of these questions. Thank you.